Thanks for taking the time to learn how to install this product correctly. A variety of ReliaGuard bushing guards are available in different sizes and shapes to suit your application. To select the right guard and how much of the equipment should be protected, consider where a bird or animal could make contact and cause a fault. Evaluate distances from phase to ground and between phases. You'll want to make sure nothing energized inside the area you're trying to protect stays exposed. It's important to pick a guard that will completely enclose the bolted connection and fits without any open gaps. Solid and mesh-style guards are available depending on your preference when it comes to equipment maintenance and inspection. If you're applying gray eel or silicone rubber tubing to cables, it should be applied before installing the bushing guard. This ensures there's enough of an overlap to prevent any gaps and that the energized equipment is completely isolated. Ensure the tubing is properly applied without any ripples, fully enclosing the cable section. This includes rotating the seams towards the outside on bends. To apply the bushing guard, install so that it is either seated on top of the insulator skirt or enclosing it. Placement will depend on shape of the connection you're trying to protect and whether the guard can be applied to ensure it can't be dislodged. Never apply guards to enclose multiple skirts. Reducing the BIL of an insulator will compromise its effectiveness. Pinch the hinge tabs together to lock the pins into the matching holes. Inspect all sides of the guard to make sure there are no gaps in coverage. Adjust the brush fingers in the guard position if needed. Push the fastener pins all the way through, ensuring both halves of the guard are locked together. Remember, this guard will need to stay in place for a number of years and has to contend with all kinds of weather, including wind. A poorly installed guard doesn't stand to protect much if it gets displaced, or, worse yet, if it falls to the ground. Please, take the time to ensure each guard is applied correctly. To remove the bushing guard, use flush-cutting side cutters like these to clip the fastener head. Then pull the fastener tail out through the opposite side. Please, don't use a knife. It's much safer and easier to remove fasteners with side cutters. Pull the hinge tabs apart and remove the bushing guard. To reapply the guard, repeat the process and install new fastener pins. Spare fasteners come with all guards, but if you need more or if you've misplaced them, let us know and we'll be happy to send you some more. In a pinch, you can use cable ties to secure, but please note they won't last as long as the fasteners.